Alright, now here is a cool useful feature which is now available on Samsung Galaxy flagship phones, and this is available currently on One UI 5.0. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. Let me open camera. I will tap on the settings. This is the camera settings menu we have here. As you can see under pictures, we have got watermark toggle. Let's tap on this. As you see, we have got this watermark customization feature now available for the flagship phones on One UI 5.0. Now this feature has been available on some of the mid-range phones from Samsung, and most other Android phones have got this feature by default, but for some reason this feature did not make it to the Galaxy S series or the Note series devices in the past. This is also available on some of the Samsung Galaxy Tabs and Samsung A series phones. I'm not sure why Samsung did not make this feature available on the flagships, but anyways, now we have got it with the One UI 5.0. Now as you can see, you can turn on this toggle. You can see this image here which depicts the watermark. Here it says select the information to include in the watermark. You can tap on this model name. As you can see, by default we have got Galaxy S22 Ultra mentioned here, and if you want to edit it, you can just tap on this and add whatever you want to add right here. If you're taking the phone in a specific location, you can just add the name of that location here, or a person's name, or whatever you want to add, you can just edit it right here. And then we've got date and time. You can select whether you want to add the date and time information or not. And then we have got this font style and alignment for these texts to appear on the image. You can keep it at the extreme left or at the center or at the extreme right. These are the customization options we get for watermark feature on the One UI 5.0. Again, let me show you how to enable this. Just open the camera, tap on camera settings. You will see this watermark toggle right under pictures section. Just tap on this. Here we have got options to customize this. Now, if you have been using a Samsung Galaxy flagship phone and if you have been looking for this particular feature, then here it is with the all new One UI 5.0. Right now we are on One UI 5.0 beta 4, and anytime soon we may get the stable version of this OS. I have already made a bunch of videos on all the new features that we have got on One UI 5.0. If you have missed those videos, go ahead and check them out. I've left a few links in the description, and you can also check out the channel. There are some really useful features which have been added and you guys must know them, so go ahead and check out the channel to know your phone better. That's all I want to share with you guys in this video. Thanks for watching. My name is Salyan signing off. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye. On One UI 4.1 we had biometrics and security and privacy separately, but here we have got security and privacy under one tab. Let me tap on this. As you can see, we have an all new security dashboard which shows whether your phone has any security